Hello everybody, this is Muta here at Nissan of Wichita Falls. I'm here to show you the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. We're in the Platinum and it does come available with second row captain's chairs. So let's say you're taking that long road trip, you know, across the country, and you need that extra storage room for you and your family. The center console in the second row is removable, and I'm gonna go show you guys how. Right there. So there's a little lever right here that you just pull, then it comes right out, and you have that extra storage room right there. And you know, whenever you're done, you can just come back and put it in. It clips right in. It's very easy to do. And when you take that, you just put it back in, and just like that, easy. If you guys are in the market for a new or used car, give me a call here at Nissan of Wichita Falls. My name is Mutandwa, 940-882-6365. Look forward to hearing from you.